Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you 3 websites that can actually pay you to just watch videos and complete simple surveys. No scams, no shady apps, just real platforms whereby you can actually earn extra income in your spare time. So if you are someone who is actually looking to earn money from home through performing simple and real tasks, then this video is definitely for you. So to get started, the very first website I'm going to talk about is Swagbucks. With Swagbucks, you can actually earn points called SB just for watching video playlists and short clips and even ads. And once you build up points, you can cash out via PayPal or even choose from a variety of gift cards. Swagbucks is free to join, and there is even a sign up bonus. So if you sign up to Swagbucks, you can actually, they will give you a free point. And the good thing about Swagbucks is the minimum withdrawal is 300 SB, which is equivalent to $3. This won't take you time to complete. So immediately you get to this $3, you can easily click on withdraw, and you will be paid via either gift card or straight to your PayPal. I also have a videos already made on how you can actually create a PayPal if you are from any African country. Another website I'm going to quickly talk about is Price Rebel. Price Rebel is actually a website whereby you can also get paid just for watching videos, completing simple surveys, and doing simple tasks. The payouts are also very quick, but this time around, this one starts at just $5. They also support PayPal, gift cards, and other cash out options depending on your country. So, if your country is supported in the list of countries that allows direct payments, that means you can also be paid directly into your local currency. So it's just to perform basic and simple tasks and you will get paid. And before I go to the last on my list, please, if you haven't subscribed yet to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, share and like this video. Most especially, share this video to also help those who are looking to earn money from the comfort of their home. So the last on the list is called ySense. This ySense was previously called ClickSense, and it's a global platform that pays you to just watch videos, complete simple tasks, and also survey. So whatever country you are, both third world countries, you are accepted to perform these tasks on this website. And they offer multiple withdrawal options, including, so the good thing about this website is that unlike other websites whereby the withdrawal is just limited to either PayPal or gift card, this website you can actually withdraw using PayPal, Skrill, and Payoneer, making it ideal for people who are outside of the US. So anywhere you are, this license is accessible to you, and it's easy for you to actually click on the withdrawal and you get your funds within less than 24 hours. So I have dropped a link on the description of this video so that if you want to sign up on this website, be it Swagbucks, Price Rebel, or ySense, you can just click on the link in my description and sign up. And once again, if you like this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to share to those who might actually need this video to know sites whereby they can actually earn money online. So see you on the next video. Thank you.